So what's going on, guys? Supernova MLG back again to play one of these games, not Netflix. I'm not gonna play that. I haven't decided Akinator, 3D Flying Bird, or Grapnel and Gary. I'm not gonna play Minecraft again tonight. Let's play a little Vault 3. If it loads up. Nope. Turn the volume down. I don't like the song. It's stupid. Yeah. Just try to do a video with my brother. Didn't go well. So I'm trying to do a video like this. Trying to get myself in a better mood. Like I wasn't in my first video back. That's a creepy face. You got there, Akinator. What to say at the top? Great. You got 15. Okay, good for you. Let's go. Okay, let's think of a character. You know what? I like the YouTuber Pizza Hut. Let's go with him. Character? No. Is he real? Yes. Yeah. I was thinking of his Minecraft character. Yep. He's from YouTube. Mostly, yeah. Dyed their hair? Don't know that. They're married? No. 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 Probably part of the pack. Oh, I'm just gonna say probably. Wear a red outfit? No. Live in Florida? Yes. No. Is your character fluffy? No, he's not Jerome. Does your character appear in older TV from YouTube? Spit on my screen. Little brother. I don't know that. Because I'm making trucks rain from the... Okay, no. Has your character ever been rough? Yes. Afraid of light? Don't know. Green? Yes, he's green. No. Is he a slime? He's got this. And... there we go. Yep, Pizza Hut. I think a Pizza Hut YouTuber. That is him. Okay, cool. Fellas. No, link Ed. Play again. Huh. We're gonna do this 2 more times. Let's go with Kobe Bryant. No, he's not a gamer. Yes, he's really exists. So Kobe Bryant is not a female. I don't know that much about Kobe Bryant. I'm just gonna keep saying don't know. Yes, he's linked to sports. NFL. No. 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 Wear a helmet? No. Football, soccer? No. See, that's racist, but yeah. No. Character fight? No. Runner? No. Is your character an athlete? Yes. Play a team sport? Yes. Yes, I'm pretty sure. Warrior. I hit noob. No, I'm acting. Oh, no. I probably. Yes, he has. Pretty sure. Oh, wait, no, I didn't mean to hit that one. No. No, he doesn't have a general. No, he's not a general. Retired. I think he just retired, didn't he? Yeah. No. Sport coach. Is your character a sports coach? No. I think he got this one. I don't remember for sure. Nope. Continue. Yeah, we'll continue for one more time. Your character career start when he was a teenager. Don't know. Where, obviously. Does your character have a chicken named something? It's not Ross. No. Chicago, yeah, I'm pretty sure. No, he's not, whatever his name is, Dan. Does your character have a shoe named after him? Yes, he does. Like, no. This was the last chance you got. No. How come the character was not on this list? Movie. Right. Done. Confirm. This one. Whatever. First one. I've defeated you, yeah. Okay, we're gonna play one more time. Let's see. I'm gonna do my friend, but I don't think he'll know him. Cause, let's go with, Days Rain. Yeah, he's a gamer. No, he does not play Minecraft. But yes, he's reached a million. Yes, he dyed his hair. Yes, he is blind. Did your character die in unfair? No! There's really I don't know what that means. I'll hit no. Play Hitman? No. FIFA franchise? Probably. He's not Big Star. Yes, he's from FaZe. Do you know where your character lives? He lives somewhere in California or something, whatever. Moving to Los Angeles. Character the shortest of the group. Nope, he's not Apex. He's not Ross either. He's not Tico. Yes, he is a Quicksilver. That's actually funny. Yeah, it's basically. You win. So we're gonna go home. Going back out of this. Wow, that game took a long time. 3D Flying Bird. We're gonna just play one round of this because I don't know how much more storage my phone has. But no, let's just have to start. No, I'm not eating anybody. No, go away. We'll play 3 games of this. Okay then. I died the first game. I don't. There we go. Yeah, I have to sign in now. Okay, next. I don't care. God, sign in. Sign in. There we go. Okay. What? My name's not Jade. Died again. I'm gonna try to pass 3. Then I'm gonna end it. Allow. Go ahead. Allow. Go ahead. Oh god, I need to pass 3. That's my goal. I'm gonna pass 3. Oh my god. Pass 3, so it doesn't matter now. Yes. There we go. Play Gackle and Gary so I can end this video. I gotta go to bed. I'm tired. Actually, no, I'll save that for another video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Hope you enjoyed. Yeah. Go ahead, hit the subscribe button. I don't really care if you do. If you don't, like. Don't. I don't even care if you do or don't. Yeah. So, always remember, 2 plus 2 always equals 3.